So the same idea as splitting the face with the walls is similar for floors. To keep it simple, I have some advice here. Uh, what you would have to do if you were splitting the face from just across the floor like we did with the wall where we just drew a line from one end to the other, you need to keep in mind that the floor probably goes outside of the wall. So you need to make sure you're going all the way to the edge of the floor. Another way to do this would be to just define your room as a box or a rectangle, or if it's an odd shape, just go along the outer edges. So let's say that we're going to make this little room a different kind of flooring. So we're going to choose split face, zoom in on that room, and then we're going to choose we have to choose the floor first. So let's get the floor. Okay, so I have the floor now. So it switches us over to the line tool. We're going to use the 2-point rectangle. I'm going to grab the inner corner of that and go to the outer corner of that. The main thing I want to do is make sure I do not intersect any other lines. Okay, when I do that, now I can hit the check mark and it defines that as a space. Let's do one more. So you can see I've already done one over here, and I'm going to do this room as a different color as well. So we're going to split the face here. Zoom in. I'm going to go with actually I have to choose the floor first. So I've got the floor selected, 2-point rectangle. You could also draw this one line at a time from this corner up into this corner, making sure I don't intersect any lines. And this way we can add different flooring. So now we're going to go to our 3D rendering and paint. And I'm going to choose some sort of, let's try stained. Let's do a different kind of plank in there. So there we've got a different kind of wood. I made some carpet, or I was messing with carpet. Apparently I made one that was linked, so I messed up the red carpet here, but I'm going to put red carpet in one of these rooms. And we also had, let's see if there's anything else in here that looks good. We can just paint the floor over here. Is it this one or this one? So now I've got paint on that floor. Or we could do oak. Bam. Or we could do modified oak. Let's see if that's the same. It looks exactly the same. But if we go to the renderings, let's see how that looks. If it looks different when it's shaded. So I have different shadings here. So you can see the different floorings now. So that's a little bit of how to do different floorings in different rooms if you want to do that. All right, so that hopefully is helpful.